have an amazing experiment for you. It deals with chemical reactions.
A chemical reaction is a change in which one or more reactants, the beginning chemicals, change into one or more products, the final chemicals.
This chemical reaction is the Iodine Clock reaction. The materials that are needed are hydrogen peroxide and a tincture of iodine.
There are other materials needed like 3 plastic cups, 1,000 milligram vitamin C tablets, cornstarch, safety goggles, measuring spoons, measuring cup, and an adult helper, but this is completely safe.
Let's start this reaction. On the right, we have hydrogen peroxide. On the left, we have a tincture of iodine.
First, I'm going to put on my goggles because safety is the most important aspect to any experiment.
As you see, the chemical equation and expression representing chemical reaction. This is a balanced equation where all the beginning chemicals are equal to the final chemicals.
Next, I'm going to mash the 1,000 milligram tablet of vitamin C in a plastic bag. I'm going to use a tablespoon, but you can also use a rolling pin. As you can see, this has already been done by our hard labor. So, now I'm going to add this fine powdered vitamin C into a plastic cup of 1,000 ml of warm water and stir this for about 30 seconds. Here we go. So, you can see that I'm adding this fine powdered liquid, or this fine powdered vitamin C into here. Now I'm going to add in 60 ml of warm water. A pretty big graduated cylinder. And I'm going to stir this for 30 seconds. Count for me, Mina. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, 30 seconds is done. Mina, analyze this.
As you can see, the water is turning into a cloudy white mixture. We will call this mixture liquid A.
Now I'm going to place 5 ml of liquid A into a cup of 60 ml of water. In this 60 ml of water, I'm also going to place in 5 ml of our nice 2% iodine.
This new mixture will be called liquid B. And now you can carefully dispose of liquid A because there will be no need for that any longer.
Let me stir it.
All right.
Oh, baby, look at this, Mina. Turn clear. My goodness.
Went clear.
Wow.
Also, did you notice that the brown liquid turned clear? In this last cup, I will mix 60 milliliters of water with 15 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide with 2.5 milliliters of liquid starch.
Or cornstarch.
Alright? And guess what this will be called? Liquid C. Here we go. We're about to pour it. We're first going to pour this. And then we're going to pour the 60 milliliters of water. And then we're also going to pour the cornstarch. And then we are gonna stir it up, stir. Here, we're about to finish stirring.
Now my partner and I will pour both liquids B and C into each other 2 times. Mina, you can go first. Pour it all in there. Pour it all. Good.
Make sure you don't overflow.
Yeah, we don't want to overflow, do we? Woo! My God, it's magic, baby.
As you see, the liquid's turning bluish color. That is because the starch is trying to turn the iodine blue. So, Ifai, do you think the temperature of water affects how quickly the liquids turn blue?
Yes, it does. An increase in the temperature of liquids causes an increase in the average speed of the molecules. Causes an increase in the average speed of the molecules. Amino. A little bit of an overflow. We're gonna steady hand does the trick. Watch this. I want you guys to see as this turns this darkish blue color. You see this? Yeah. This is when the kinetic energy increases.
Yeah.
This is when the kinetic energy increases and thus causes a reduced intermolar reaction, which causes the liquid to turn blue faster. See?
I bet one of the viewers out there are wondering, does the amount of vitamin C added affect how fast the liquid turns blue?
You know what, Mina? Yes, it does. Vitamin C acts as a catalyst, as Mr. Gilman taught us, which is a substance that increases the rate of a chemical reaction by lowering the activation energy of a reaction.
Also, does stirring the liquids affect in any way how fast the liquids turn blue?
Yes, it does, Amino. When you stir the liquids, you are distributing equally to the whole mixture.
That was amazing, but we gotta run. So we would like to thank Mr. Gilman, our chemistry teacher, Ms. Smithfield, our librarian, and Mr. Ione, Ivi's father, for bringing the supplies.
Yes, I also second what Mina said. Thank you and have a great rest of the day.